It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Stellenbosch 1. Load shedding, rain, our videos are interrupted. We apologize. Hopefully you'll be able to make out what Otugutugu Makanya is going to say in this video. Very, very short. Your summary of the game, I mean, it was exciting enough that no one was rolling over. And the weaker team of the two sides scored first, which made it a very good game for us as well. Your summary of how you saw the game?
Yeah, greetings with you, Ashim Kuleo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you check it, Stellenbosch. Whenever they come to play against the Sundowns, they look a bit energetic and also Amar rules are they try to perfect Amar rules are because of they mainly stick to organization because of you check it how they line up, how they put in line up, how they attacked, they had the exit plan want to pray because of his speed. He gave them problems. So you check it, center backs, they had to defend three, especially centrally, to make sure that they have a defensive block. Yaka Robin Johannes, Nalumfana Bega Yenzi debut, I think Ukabanga Urban, Unkaba, then no Zita or Ukwinika, yeah. Then on the side, push Sundowns on the side, Bashana no Fan Royen, Ngale, Bashana no Lutsualo, Ucheba, no Solomons. So it means they always try to go for like in terms of maybe Ama qualities. Next to not obviously quality. It's not the same party. Yeah, party they try to go for like about Ufan Royene to till no like case try to block like most of the time. First half we never saw, especially in our left hand side, which is a right hand side. Stellenbosch. Ngagule umutau constantly to be worried in a space because she mover, so it minimized my movements. Pambili, so we had a debate who was supposed all the time to follow to pray, but to pray because Kishimaguma channels. So I still felt the center backs were the ones who were supposed to track him because they can see him better, they can see his movement better. But you check out umuta ukurisho all the time. Magakala focus on utu ya pambili to pray yabuya uzangala emvagwake. So it meant ukekana or ulibusa, they were not prepared bamlandelela paya. So it forced umutau abuye kumele track it down. That is why even in a penalty resulted into a penalty because of now he was late, he had to track him and the manje to pray. We are badabutu. Yeah, we are badabutu. So magam feel la paya mbamba penalty given rightfully so. I still feel it is a penalty because of he was changing direction or obstructor, and again no more. When you look at the Sundowns, what Cape Town Stellenbosch did also minimize ama spaces la permit so that at least they don't connect between ama lines between lines of defense the lines midfield whereby umshishi all the time he thrives on la spaces la move. So they make sure umshishi akawatula, that is why umshishi nakona he was out of the game because of manje by minimize la spaces la, so he couldn't connect because of umshishi is a link between midfield then na phone and strikers. So he couldn't connect nabo as much as he would have liked because of was compressed spaceless. So the only option they were forced to do, or they were left with, to go on top. If they were to go on top, obviously, like a keeper, and it's easier to defend because of na spaces so you check it this one enough. The option that Sundowns had to come up with is to make sure that they take shots. They took Olake took a shot. It resulted into a goal. So I expected that maybe Sundowns were going to take more shots other than maybe trying to steal, maybe try to force we are in back cross, which is something which Stellenbosch planned very well. Ngofan Royen no Litsuanyo, and then three say na center back side three, which made it difficult with Sundowns to play spaces. Spaces la good defense Stellenbosch.
All right, last one. You felt overall in 90 minutes this was a deserved scoreline, or should Sundowns have had more given the fact that they have better quality players?
Yeah, I still feel what Stellenbosch plan properly because of when you plan, you need to have an exit plan. You need to have also know your deficiencies. So they knew what na weaknesses abo, and they don't have the quality to have fully game that much. So they opted for a approach a defensive and break. So you look at the Sundowns with it was an away match, a difficult match. Because of, we're talking about a team that's on top, I think top 4. Yeah, so they were away. I feel it can be a point dropped, a point gained because of they were away. Also again because of Sundowns quality, you will still feel with Sundowns maybe they just 2 points dropped. So it's that situation. But lama points akanje, you can only count them maybe season might say with money. Samba sa drop lama points la paya against Stellenbosch. But Stellenbosch is not an easy a team to play against, especially a ground in Labo. Even the Pirates got La Paya ya tola 3 ya winner 3, and then you would have maybe thought it maybe Sundowns was going to be an easy game for on a party. It was not to be. Stellenbosch, they planned better.
All right, so there you go. That's Stellenbosch, Mamelodi Sundowns in rain and load shedding and everything else in between. Thank you so much for watching us. It is KTV, it is Key Times and World Sports Betting.